Miner Series 2, designed and constructed for the toughest mining conditions. Seamless transitions from ramp to platform, eliminating pivot points during loading and unloading. Full with ground contact for enhanced stability during loading and unloading. Optimized trailer length and high ground clearance for superior mobility around sites. Low loader range from 80 tons up to 1,000 tons payload and can be customized for a particular selections of earth-moving and mining equipment as well as the specific conditions on the mine sites. Sleipner DB120+. The revolutionary Sleipner DB series will improve your on-site mobility for tracked equipment. Sleipner DB series will offer you fast loading, agile transporting, reliable braking and sufficient ground clearance. A totally new level of performance. Typically, drills and dozers use up to 15% of their working hours traveling on tracks. Sleipner transport solution can save drills and bulldozer, traveling time up to 85%. Instead of spending several hours traveling on tracks, the transportation can be done in less than an hour with Sleipner DB120+. Tilting the load bed makes the loading and unloading safe. Sleipner DB series model have a reliable braking system. Operator can control all functions over the control system through onboard display unit. The wheel of the DB series offers incomparable safety. There is no risk of overturning even if the wheels drop off the road. SW450. The SW450 swing wheel low loader has a small advance from the previous SW385 swing wheel low loader. By using the rear of the low loader, extending the deck by about 3 meters to distribute the extra load to the prime mover axles and providing a slightly larger gooseneck. The SW450 low loader is capable of handling a 450-ton payload, and it's towed by a covered Caterpillar 793 prime mover. CAT AD63. The new CAT AD63 underground articulated truck features 5% increased payload and more torque for improving production capabilities compared to the previous, the AD60. The new AD63 also can be configured to meet the strictest diesel engine emissions regulations for both regulatory compliance and improve underground air quality. Additional new features enhance operator ergonomics, maintenance success and safety, and data collection for machines' health monitoring. The AD63 with 63 tons payload became the largest underground truck in the Caterpillar production line. The new design and air cooling system improves serviceability, and the radiator core has serviceable tubes for the fast repairs. Sleipner E310. Sleipner E310 transport system for the excavators from 267 to 310 tons. The Sleipner dollies enable moving hydraulic excavators safely and faster. Speed up to 15 km an hour and saving and undercarriage wearing. It's easy to operate. Simply drive on the dollies, turn around, place the bucket on the truck bed, and off you go. Sleipner system is straightforward in every way and currently used in a global mining and other settings where high mobility is a premium. This video is filmed in Canada, where CAT 63 shovel is relocated on Sleipner E310 with CAT 789C truck. The Sleipner transport system is invented under cold weather conditions, so it works well on the snow and ice as well.